Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing the TSS Multipoint door handles with 70mm PZ, lever, 180mm screw centres. As you can see, these handles are supplied boxed like all TSS Multipoint door handles, and all the individual components inside are bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit, any scratches to the handle. In the box you will receive your handles and an accessory kit. The accessory kit contains 2 removable spring cassettes, 2 sets of fixings, one long and one short, and this particular handle set, a 7mm spindle by 125mm. These handles are available in white, as you can see in the video, black, polished brass, polished chrome and silver. The polished chrome, silver and polished brass are all salt spray tested to 240 hours. And all finishes are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So you have your 70mm PZ, 180mm screw centres. Your overall back plate is 210mm by 32mm. Your top screw to the centre of the spindle hole is 65mm, and the bottom of the Euro cutout to the centre of the bottom fixing is 20mm. Thank you for watching.